Alright guys, so in this video we are going to create and add a new logo to your website. Now this is going to help you for your branding, and it's also going to add a real professional touch to your online presence. So for this video we are just going to keep things real simple. So what I'd like you to do is to head over to Google and do a search for paint.net. And then just click on this top result right here, and under the download tab, go ahead and just download this program called Paint.net, and it's a very powerful photo editing software, which is what we're going to use to actually create your logo. So once you have that downloaded and installed, then just go ahead and open it up. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a new picture here, and the width, we're going to make the width 450 pixels, and the height is going to be 150. Then we'll click OK, and let's just go ahead and add some text, and let's just keep this real simple. We'll just use your name. So Johnny, and let's find a text that looks professional and attractive. We'll just go ahead and use that. We'll increase the size. We'll make it a bit smaller than that. That should work. And my last name, and this one I'm going to make it bold. And that's it. That's all we're going to do for this video. So then what you want to do is you want to click on this button right here, which is called the magic wand. So we'll click on that, and then click on this white portion right here. And what this is going to do is it's actually going to delete all of the white on this picture. So that way when you add this logo to your website, you're not going to have this white square background behind it. It's just going to be see-through. So once you have that selected, then just click the delete button on your keyboard, and we'll do that part as well in the middle of the O there, and in the R right there. Oh. If you accidentally do that, then just click on undo, and let's actually zoom in. It's going to make it easier for us here. And there you go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to save this file. And you want to make sure that when you're saving this, you're saving it as a PNG. Because if you save it as a JPEG, then it's going to leave that, all of this stuff that we just made see-through, it's going to make it white. And we don't want that. So we're going to save it as a PNG. So I'm going to save it into my pictures folder. And I'm going to call it AGF logo, and we'll save that. And then we're going to create another new picture, and for this one we're going to make the width 16, and the height is also going to be 16. And click on OK. And we're going to have to zoom way in on this one. And so for this one, we are also going to do text, but we'll just, for this one, we're just going to do your initials. So we'll click on text. And we're going to have to make this text size much smaller. Let's try 10. There you go, that will work. So we'll click on save. And I'm going to call this one AGF icon. and click on Save. And OK. So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually head over to our website, and we'll go into the back office, click on Dashboard, and then we're going to scroll down a little ways, and under the Divi tab right here, we're going to click on Theme Options. And then right here under Logo, we're just going to click on Upload. We're going to go Upload Files, select your files, and then just find that picture that you just created, the first one that we created. So we'll go under Pictures, and this is the one right here, AGF logo. And we'll click on Set as Logo. Now for this one right here, Favicon, this is going to be the icon that is going to appear whenever somebody visits your website. They're going to see this little icon right here. So we'll just go and click on Upload, Upload Files, and select Files. And then we are going to choose the picture, this small little guy that we just created. That's the last one that we created. So we'll double click on that. And we'll set as Favicon, just like that. And then scroll on down to the bottom of this page and click on Save Changes. And let's go and visit the site and see what it looks like. Perfect. That looks good. It's a little bit small, but I think it looks good and clean. And that's really all we want. And here's our little icon right there. So we are set to go for this video. Now, if you want to actually go a little bit more fancy like I did on my personal website, you can try and get creative with Paint.net and create a super cool logo. There's a lot of stuff you can do with that program. And if you actually go on YouTube, you can find a whole bunch of tutorials on how to use Paint.net to build logos and all kinds of other cool stuff. Or what you could actually do is go to a site that I've used in the past called freelogoservices.com. So here what you can do is you can create and design a very professional looking logo for your website very quickly and easily. But in order for you to actually download it, it is going to cost a little bit of money. I think it's like 10 or 15 bucks per logo. But here's the thing, is that, I don't want you to spend too much time on this step. I see a lot of people spend like 2 or 3 weeks trying to find the perfect logo, right? But, in the end, it's not really that important. For now, the important thing for you is to just get this thing set up, right? And start creating content so that way you can actually start really building your business and actually start making some money. So that is it for this video, quick and short. Thanks for watching. If you're seeing this on YouTube, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe to my free internet marketing bootcamp in the description down below this video. And if you're watching this in the bootcamp, then go ahead and move on down to the next video, and I will see you there.